Another list I'm stuck holding. When danger's your test in life, a thrill of the other side. Whether it's fear or loathing, the consequence comes to light. Climb aboard my old since the night, and I make the break for something awful. I'm living this life like it's been borrowed. Convince myself there's nothing else. Fast made to throw, but hearts are for family. And who is this man living so calmly? Convince myself there's something else. If I went down, you tasted love, healing myself before it, something else. If I went down, you tasted love, healing myself before it, something else. So please push me over myself and the thought that there's nobody else who feels this way or holds this name. And I need addiction to feel more alive, a listening care to shatter my pride and share it this way. I hold your name.